Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I'm coming at you with yet another Dollar Tree haul. Yes, you guessed it, with yet another amazing Dollar Tree haul. I cannot wait to share with you guys everything I found. I have so much stuff that I've just been saving up. I throw it all in my little Dollar Tree tote bag and then I just film and share with you guys what I've gotten over the past couple of months. I have an entire Instagram devoted to Dollar Tree finds. So you can check that out on my Instagram. It's linked in my bio. It's at Dollar Tree Dolly, D-O-L-L-I-E. I share on there finds pretty much every day on Reels and on Stories. So if you want to see all the goodies that I picked up recently at Dollar Tree for $1.25, then just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, let's dive on in. First up, you guys are going to be like, why is she just holding a piece of cardboard? I will tell you. So I wanted to show you guys, I got this makeup brush suction cup holder, and it's basically like this little suction cup that holds your brushes. Did a little Instagram reel on it, and I had it hanging up on the side of my Alex drawer over here, and such a shame, it doesn't like stay suction, it just falls off. So it's kind of like a Dollar Tree fail. Like the concept is there, but the suction doesn't stay. So I tried a few times. I really thought I had it on there. It felt good, but then it just fell right on the floor. So unfortunately, I can't recommend this makeup brush suction cup thing. This is something that I picked up recently, and I actually use these already. So it's the new Ioni nail art stickers. They have this new display. It's like a nail art bar for their new Ioni High collection. It's like Ioni High School, back to school. It's really cute. And I was eyeing these. They're these adorable butterfly nail art stickers, and I'm actually wearing them right now. I prefer to do stuff like this, decor, nail decor, with gel polish, because I don't want to mess with decorations with like wet nail polish. Like it has to be something that I cure under the light so that I can just easily apply this stuff on top and it's like already set down, and then you apply your top coat and you cure so everything's locked in. So that's my little tip for you guys if you want to try like the rhinestones or the stickers, the chrome powders that are in the collection. Make sure you are using a gel, and I just use gel polishes that I get on Amazon. I will link this set. This is like a set of 6 neons, and the quality is so good, very easy to work with. This is like a Barbie pink color. I hope you guys can see, like I have all the little butterflies on there, and I had so much fun playing with these stickers. And if you guys like to play with gel polish and designs, then I definitely recommend picking up these stickers. And they have a lot of other cute stuff too. The fake nails, too long for me. The nail wraps, and I just found that they didn't go on well. The Be Pure ones are much better. This is just a cute little find I picked up. I thought it would be fun for if I'm going out somewhere, or if I want to go into a store and I don't want to take my whole purse in with me. Just this little wristlet. It's actually pretty nice. Has the wristlet, has a zipper in the front here, which is nice if you want to put like credit cards or anything, receipts. And then you just have the little zipper container in here, so you can put cards, cash, whatever. And I feel like this is something you can keep like in your car if you just want to have something you can like quickly throw stuff in, because I don't love carrying a purse. So just having something like this handy is really nice, or you can even use it as a wallet if you want to. And I just got the basic black, and this is by their Juncture brand. So in regards to skincare, I recently, well in the past month, stumbled across a name brand line at Dollar Tree called Dermageek. And this is actually like $20 online if you look it up. I got 2 things, and this is the Gentle Face Cleanser. It's fragrance free, sulfate free, and it's dermatologist tested. And it just has very basic ingredients. Like if you have sensitive skin, I think this is a great option for you. And it was $1.25. This is a really good brand. So it's clinically tested. There's no parabens, no phthalates, or synthetic dyes. And the ingredients, it's manufactured in the USA. People always get on me about things made in China, and ingredients and stuff. So that's why I love sharing, like you can get good stuff at Dollar Tree. Like if you find the name brand stuff, the Beauty Guru stuff, you guys know I'm obsessed with their brand, and all their stuff is pure. And it has a description of each ingredient. So water, cocamopridol betaine, it says a cleanser from coconut oil, sodium chloride, table salt, cleansing salt, cleanser derived from coconut oil, citric acid, Very, very gentle product. You guys were able to find this. I'm excited to start incorporating this. I actually just ran out of one of my favorite gentle cleansers the other day, so I'm gonna start using this guy, and I will definitely let you guys know like updated thoughts on it as I use it. And then I also got this beta hydroxy acid 2% detoxifying facial serum. So this says that this says it increases surface skin cell turnover for brighter and healthy looking skin, exfoliates for 2 times surface skin cell turnover, and it says it's for if you have large pores. Hi, it's me. I'm the problem. I have really large Italian pores that drive me crazy, so I'm always looking for something to reduce them. So I thought this was a really cool find. This has also very gentle ingredients: water, sterile ether, which conditions skin, glycerin to moisturize, dimethicone to condition, salicylic acid is the exfoliant. This is equivalent to something such as the Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant. So this is basically a dupe at Dollar Tree. So kind of amazing. And I use a liquid exfoliant from, right now I'm using one from Naturium that they had sent me. I use that like every 2 days or so, but I'm excited to try this one and see how it performs because it does have the active ingredient in here and there's no artificial colors. Amazing finds I was really excited about. Let me know if you guys found this brand at your stores. This is another cool makeup find. I only found this at one store and I had driven like really far away, and this was like the one or like two, there was like 2 cool things in the makeup aisle at that store. There was an Essie nail polish one, and then there was this. It's the Flower Beauty in Your Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. So you guys know I love picking up name brand makeup finds at Dollar Tree and then using them in makeup tutorials, but I'm finding it's getting harder and harder to find name brand stuff at Dollar Tree. I feel like the stores that I always found name brand stuff, I'm not finding anymore, and it's so kind of sad and frustrating because I love sharing that with you guys, but if the stores aren't getting any in, then I can't, you know, find any. So when I saw this, I was so excited. It felt like a diamond in the rough. Like I was like, oh my gosh, it's like the drought of name brand beauty products is so big right now, so to find this was really cool. So this I believe retailed for like something crazy like $15, but I think Flower is like updating their line right now, so I think that's why this stuff ended up there. But Flower Beauty products, really good, made in the USA. I love their stuff. This was such a fun find. I've been looking for a planner for myself and nothing crazy. I didn't want anything thick or big, so when I saw this at Dollar Tree, I grabbed it. This was in the new school supply section. So it says Dream, Plan, Do. I just really like the colors. I thought it was very like modern looking, like something you would see at Target or Home Goods. Here's the first page. And you can add in, oh, this is cute too. They have an important dates section. But I'm more so going to be using these. It's the weeks, which I thought was so cool. So you could do week of, put the date, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the whole week is in here. Although Saturday and Sunday is like really tiny. That's the only thing that's like kind of annoying. There's a little thing on the bottom that says top priorities. So I just thought this would be cute. I'm like not the most organized person in the world, I'm going to be honest with you guys, and I hate writing things down. I like just keep everything in my head, which is so bad because I forget stuff. So that is why I got the planner. Literally today, I forgot to do something and I was like horrified that I forgot to do this thing. So seeing this planner reminds me why I need a planner, so I can write things down that I have to do and not forget them, because this is why. Like, so I have to get more organized with myself. So I want to stick to trying to use that planner every week just so I can jot down like my to-dos and things that need to be done. Also picked up these really cute white heart sunglasses that say bride. I actually got this for one of my husband's coworkers. She's a bride, and I wanted to like put together a little goodie bag for her and then put these little cute bride sunglasses in there, and these are just so adorable. Like, these are a must-have. Like, so cute. And I've also seen the pink ones there, so if you can find the white ones for the bride and the pink ones for the bachelorette girls, like that would be so cute. About died when I saw these headbands at Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, you guys, they are so cute. This is like a trend right now on TikTok, and I again had posted about this on Instagram Reels that I was so excited to find these. I call them like little mermaid headbands because they have these cute little like scalloped details. This is from a brand called Royal Deluxe Accessories. So I don't think it's like a Dollar Tree brand, because if it was, it would say the Greenbrier on the back or whatever. But I couldn't believe how quickly they like got these into Dollar Tree, because, and I'm noticing like they're not as like nice as the ones that you'll see at like Marshall's, because those literally have like it'll be, oh, let me show you guys because I have one here from Marshall's. These literally have the little line kind of like sewn into them. Do you guys see that? Like it's sewn in. Whereas this one, it's more just the illusion of it. They put this like little string on it to make it like have that look. So it's a budget alternative. The ones from Marshall's are like $5. This one's $1.25. So if you're just looking for something cute, the pink one is so adorable, and these are perfect if you're getting ready and you want to put your hair back. They're just like a cute get ready with me headband. You will see a lot of girls wearing these on Instagram Reels and TikTok when they're doing their makeup. So I just thought it was so cool that Dollar Tree came out with these, and they were like so on trend. The hair care product I got that I wanted to try is by Personal Care, which is like I guess one of the Dollar Tree hair brands. It's the Sea Salt Hair Spritz. So it has jasmine and organic coconut, and let's see the ingredients. It has sodium chloride, which is the salt, which is gonna give your hair that like beachy wave. Glycerin, which is for moisture. It has jasmine oil, coconut fruit extract, coconut oil. It does have fragrance in it and a couple of preservatives. It does have, like I said, organic coconut oil. No parabens, no dyes, no alcohol, which is great, no silicones or sulfates. As it's made in Turkey and it is not tested on animals. So I was excited about this find because it is summer and I try sometimes to wear my natural hair. I do have naturally wavy hair. I feel like this could maybe give some sort of enhancement to my wavy hairstyle. So I'm going to try it out and see how it is, see if it has any scent. I mean, I definitely smell the jasmine. Like, yeah, it smells good. I don't mind it. It smells very beachy. So I thought this was cool. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see. If you guys have tried this, let me know. It reminded me so much of something I loved when I was in elementary school, which was the John Frieda Beach Waves. I was like obsessed with that product. Like there was nothing that could be better than that product. Like I wanted it from CVS so bad. I think I actually did end up getting it, and I was like so excited. So this reminded me a lot of that and just like brought back my childhood memories. Pick up another one of the LA Colors eyeshadows. I love these 6 pans. If you guys have been watching any of my Dollar Tree makeup videos, I use these in like all the videos. So I was like, let me get another fun color scheme that I can play with. So this one is called Fling, and it has blue, green, purple. It has like a light pink and a shimmery gold. So we will try this out in the next makeup try on. I am definitely due for a Dollar Tree makeup tutorial, so hopefully that will be like within the next 2 weeks. So these are really pigmented and I recommend them all the time. They are so good. I really liked these lashes from LA Colors. This is in Diva, and I liked how thin the band was. I was actually watching a video the other day with Scott Barnes and Tati. He was doing her makeup, and he said that you need a thinner band if you want to avoid having like a really heavy eye, and I totally agree with that. I love a thin band, and I also thought these were nice for cutting in half. That's typically what I do. Today I did that as well. I cut the lashes in half and I just pop them on the ends of my eyes. It makes the eyes look so cat eye and like flirty. I love it. So yeah, just something fun for another makeup tutorial. Had to pick up another one of these. It's the LA Colors Contour Stick in Deep. I'm obsessed with these. Medium, and I have tan. I use these basically every day. They're so good for contouring on your face, but what I use them for in particular, I use them for contouring my nose. I don't want to say marker, like a crayon, and it's so easy to draw the contour lines on your nose. I've been getting the best nose contours with these sticks. So I was like, you know what? I need the 3rd shade. Gotta catch them all. So I got the Deep as well. I just always laugh at like the pictures on the LA Colors. Like they're so photoshopped and like it's crazy. Like, and the lip ones on the lip products, they always have like these really big lip injections. Like I'm not against lip injections, it's just that it gives people like a false, I guess, advertisement of what it will look like. But anyways, yeah, just side note on that, I now have all 3 colors of my favorite contour stick. Okay, this is the last item I will share with you guys because I feel like I've already shown you so much and I don't want to, as I always say, overwhelm you. So I will break this up into another video because I still have other stuff to share. But anyways, the last product are these adorable bobby pins. Hopefully, there we go. You can see them better. They are so cute. I really got them for these little flower clips because I thought those were absolutely precious. And then there's just 2 plain little gold bobby pins down here, but I thought these were so fun for like flower child vibes, very 70s. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my huge Dollar Tree haul. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite item? Are you going to be looking for any of these as well? Enjoying everything at Dollar Tree lately. And if you missed it, I also did a Dollar Tree Plus shop with me, but I did not buy anything from the Plus section in case you guys were wondering about that. I just went there to film, but there was nothing that I bought yet. So maybe in the future I will have a Plus haul if I see anything that like kind of jumps out at me. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it, comment. It helps out my channel so much when you guys interact with my content. It means so much to me. I love you guys and I will see you in my next one. Bye!